Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide message notifications on Instagram. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you're on Instagram and you prefer no one else to be able to see notifications on who you got message from or what messages you're sending and receiving, all that stuff, I'll show you how to hide it. The first is, let's go into the Instagram app and let's tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now let's tap on those three lines at the top right and choose at the very top settings. You can see right under how to use Instagram as notifications. Let's tap on that. And on here, let's tap on messages midway down. Of course, the easiest way to hide any of those notifications is just to turn it off. So under message requests, message reminders, group requests, all of these different things, you can turn off all of these notifications. So this is the easiest way. Basically, you have to go into Instagram app to see that you got a message. However, there is another option as well. If you want to turn this back on, you can always just hide the specific content of that notification, and I'll show you how to do that. So let's hop out of here and go into our settings, tap on notifications midway down, and then all we have to do is scroll down and find Instagram on this list. There it is. The key here is you will get all these notifications, but you can tap on this show previews and instead always or when unlocked you can switch it to never. Basically that means if you get a notification on Instagram, it will never show the content, basically who is messaging you on that notification, until you unlock your phone, opening up, go into that notifications or go into that Instagram app and see the actual message. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.